Akio Toyoda teased a mid-engine two-seater, and MR2 rumors are flying. A mysterious two-seat sports car is coming to the Tokyo Auto Salon, and fans think it's tied to the long-awaited return of the MR2, but they could be wrong. Akio Toyoda teased a mid-engine two-seater sports car. Toyota Gazoo Racing shared the teaser video on X January 3rd. The mystery car may be a new MR2 or a reworked classic. With just days to go before the Tokyo Auto Salon, Toyota chairman, Akio Toyoda, has taken a hands-on role in a teaser campaign that hints at more than just another concept car. Under his Morizo pseudonym, he revealed that he acquired a mid-engined, two-seat vehicle that will be customized for display at the event. Toyota's Gazoo Racing arm released the teaser with few specifics, but it was enough to fan the flames of ongoing speculation. Though the car's name and silhouette were kept hidden, the setup points to one familiar possibility: the return of the MR2. The timing lines up with Toyota's recent trademark filings for the GR MR2 nameplate. Another option on the table is a follow-up to last year's GR Yaris M concept, which also appeared at the Tokyo Auto Salon. Unsurprisingly, the clip drew plenty of attention from Toyota fans, most of whom quickly latched onto the idea of an MR2 revival. Then again, Morizo's latest acquisition could just as easily be an older generation MR2 brought back to life with a round of upgrades. Either way, we're inching closer to an official reveal that will shed more light on what Toyota Gazoo Racing has planned next. Our speculative rendering of a potential GR MR2 based on the 2023 Toyota FTSE concept. The original MR2 was produced from 1984 until 2007, spanning 3 distinct generations. Each version stuck with the car's core layout, a mid-mounted engine and 2 seats. Speculation around a 4th-generation MR2 picked up momentum in late 2023, following the debut of the FTSE concept, short for Future Toyota Sports Electric. It gained more traction in early 2025 when Toyota revealed the mid-engine GR Yaris M prototype. That car was built around a new turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an all-wheel drive system. During last year's Tokyo Auto Salon, Toyota engineers hinted that the prototype could form the basis of a future production car. They stopped short of naming it directly but suggested it might evolve into an MR something. The company also dropped a few visual breadcrumbs in its Grip anime series, including a veiled silhouette that bore a striking resemblance to the FTSE. All eyes on January 9th. Besides the MR2, there's growing speculation that the upcoming Celica might adopt a mid-engined layout as well, potentially blurring the boundaries between the 2 nameplates. Toyota has confirmed the Celica's return, but details on its technical specs and release timeline remain under wraps. The mystery is expected to be cleared up at Toyota Gazoo Racing's Tokyo Auto Salon press conference on January 9th, with Akio Toyoda set to deliver the reveal in person.